Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to this course on Excel for Business Analytics and Data Analytics. Right now we are on lecture 7 the in section 2 of our course. In this lecture, we are actually going to discuss some currency and accounting formatting that is actually available in Excel. So without further ado, I'm actually going to move to our Excel sheet where we have a small data set available where we can actually make these changes. So in the last lecture, we actually did sort of investigate some of the options that are actually available over here. So you can go to this drop down and select the accounting option from over here to get the accounting format embedded over here on your selection. So what you see right now is that your data set, which was actually the plain data set, now has a dollar sign next to it and has decimal places and also has comma separated values in order to actually show the accurate units and tens on these numbers. Furthermore, you can actually change the sign or the currency that's associated with this accounting format by actually clicking on this dollar sign drop down and then selecting one of these 4 or 5 currency symbols. You can further explore what other currencies are available by actually clicking on I'll show that again by clicking on more accounting formats over here. It opens up the same window where we actually also explored the date formats, but right now we are more interested in accounting. So over here you can actually set the symbol, because there are a lot of symbols actually that are available over here. I think all the different currencies that are actually used in the world are now available over here. I even saw Bitcoin over there, so you can actually see that Bitcoin is even available. It's not exactly a currency; it's just a it's a digital asset as of right now, but still the symbol for it is available because it is experiencing mass usage now. On top of that, you also get at the bottom of this list you get the denominations or the abbreviations for actually different currencies, so you can actually select those from over here as well. In addition to that, you can also select the decimal spaces that you want with your with your data from over here, and let's just try one of the currencies. So you can see that the currency symbol actually changed to the Armenian currency along with the decimal spaces which I actually selected. So this is a quick fire video on the accounting and currency formats that I wanted to cover, and I hope it is useful once you start interacting with the real data, and I hope to see you in the next video.